Welcome to the Digital Proving Ground, your gateway to the future of connected and automated traffic systems. Imagine a world where the transport system is seamlessly connected, automated, and multisensing. This future promises enhanced traffic safety, efficiency, and sustainability. Picture vehicles sharing real-time warning information when accidents occur, and infrastructure sensors assisting automated emergency braking systems to prevent collisions. Intelligence within the mobile network will analyze and interpret the surroundings of each vehicle, ensuring a safer journey for everyone. To turn this vision into reality, rigorous testing and verification are essential. The Digital Proving Ground offers a unique platform that replicates the future transport system in a controlled environment. Here, we provide state-of-the-art 5G connectivity through the Telia and Ericsson Northstar Innovation Network, seamless cross-border roaming capabilities, an information sharing domain for vehicle-to-vehicle communication, stress testing methods for applications reliant on connectivity, advanced scenario control with both physical and simulated actors. Join us in developing the future of traffic systems and speeding up the journey from innovation and testing into commercialization. How can we assist you in shaping a safer, more efficient, and sustainable transport network? Welcome to the Digital Proving Ground.